Beb.
What happened to the dinosaur?
It's very broken.
Why it's broken?
Unbroken it.
That's amazing.
Nixes. Nixes. Nick. Kuya. Not listening. Get your bag. Very good. Guba na, yeah. Yeah.
Help me with my
Yes.
bag. Right is over there.
Okay. Good job.
I'm not following.
Huh? Wala.
Yes, that's good. A dinosaur express. Oh, ang siya name pa?
Nick Rex.
Nick Rex. Whoa.
Nixis. Nick Rex.
Aha, Dad. It's start with this one's his favorites. Mana jump, pating dog.
Wait lang. Dito ko sa gallery na.
Ah? Ang sani pa? Snacks.
Asa na yung...
Snacks. Bye. It's
Asa photos? Dito ra sa photos.
snacks. With dinosaurs. Wings. Dinosaurs.
Ang bida?
This is not flying on the wings. It's not out like this. Look me. Papa, look me.
Ma, video ma. Picture. Yan eh, picture man to. Oh, wala video. Wala na ko.
Sayaw man sila anak. Di ba ko makaibalog? Video. Di, tudakan naman ako siya.
Pamit.
Dinali nga.
It's a horse.
Ginaw kayo, mga bata, oy.
Beautiful boy. Hi, this is the horse.
Nakalabay diya sa ipan. Dinali.
Yeah,
Diyan na lang.
Dinali.
Cool.
Nexis.
Ito yung mga friended to. Nixis, you have a lot of friends?
Yeah.
Namely?
So many of it. It's buang snow for my friend. Buang loop, buang nose. And teacher.
Oh. Get. Dobe, wala na kay Clay.
Yeah.
Diyos na ni mo tanan.
Like this. And the dinosaur.
What is this? Uy.
Nick dinosaur. Nick dinosaur. Papa is a horse dinosaur.
A horse then dinosaur. But oh. What happened? Palok.
Oh, fine. This is his mata. And put right over there. Right over there.
Is that a what?
A sheep. Oh. A horse. May. Uy, good.
Sleep na taya?
Kaya gamay kayo. Better.
How about that one? What is that?
Snake.
Eh?
Cobra.
Cobra. Ito yung snake cobra.
I so tired ko today. Ay,
Picture it, Mom.
huh?
Ay, ako turn around. Bunny's here.
Your snake is going to sleep. Look at it's moving. Is that alive? Is that alive?
Not so long.
Let mama do it.
My snake. Picture it, Mom.
Okay. Model ka. Dito ka, Bakoy.
Abay, sila ako.
Smile. Tubang ni mama. My God, a head. Tired kay ko, love.
Now picture it.
Okay. Smile.